Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make homemade butter. So herein I have 1.5 liters of milk which I had kept in the refrigerator after boiling. So a good thick layer of cream has set on the top. You can see it is floating. I'll now collect it in a bigger vessel. I am going to collect this cream every day. But today what I am going to do is I am going to add little bit of curd into it. So this cream also gets converted to curd, and from tomorrow I am going to collect cream every day as I did today in the same vessel and keep it in the fridge. Now this utensil, after adding the curd, I'll keep it overnight outside so that this cream too converts into curd. So herein goes around 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. The whole point is I am converting the fresh cream into curd so that after I remove the butter out of it, the leftover buttermilk will have the complete taste of buttermilk. Now cover the lid and keep it overnight at some warm place. Now here you can see this I had made yesterday. Right now I showed you the process how I did it. So now I am going to collect cream into this vessel for at least 8 to 10 days so that I get a good amount of fresh cream from which I can make the butter. So now I'll just open the box. Today is the last day wherein I am going to collect the cream into this vessel. So here I have collected the milk. Now I am going to stir this nicely so that the curd below mixes well with the rest of the cream. And again I am going to leave this overnight so that this complete lot of fresh cream gets converted into curd. Once it is mixed well, I am going to cover this and again I am going to keep it overnight at a warm place. During winters, you can take a bigger plate and put hot water into it and keep this immersed into it for overnight. So next day morning, you can see a nice curd has been formed out of the fresh cream. The reason behind converting the fresh cream into curd is that first the butter separates faster, and second the leftover buttermilk will have a complete buttermilk taste. And so you can use it as a buttermilk, you can use it in making kadhi, so you will never throw out the buttermilk. Now after churning with a spatula, use a hand churner and go on churning it. Beat it up till it becomes soft, and I'll churn it till I get a nice layer of butter floating on the top. Add water as and when required. Beat till you start to get soft peaks. Initially you can just work on the cream collected after 5 days. For this lot of cream, it will hardly take 10 minutes for the butter to get separated. Add chilled water as and when required and go on churning it with the hand blender. Slowly you will see that the cream has started to form soft peaks. Go on churning with the hand blender. Soon you will see that the butter has started to separate. Add in some more chilled water. Now I have taken a bigger vessel in which the churning becomes easier. So beat it fast. Add in some more chilled water. Now here you can see that the butter has separated. I'll now remove this butter in another vessel. You can see here when I lifted the hand churner, the butter is on the hand churner and the buttermilk is just dripping down. Now using a spatula, go on removing the butter into another utensil. Now herein I have good amount of butter. Some I can store it for my regular use, and from some I can make clarified butter, that is desi ghee. Now I'll just remove the leftover buttermilk which is along with the butter. So now herein I have a good collection of butter and even the buttermilk. The buttermilk can be equally used as we make the buttermilk from the normal curd. So both the things I have of equal importance. Now I'll just beat the butter once more so that I get rid of extra buttermilk. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such recipes on delicacies on the plate.